Hello, crow. Mao na siya ang crow diri, which is very common here in New Delhi. Kana nga bird oh. It's crow.
High temperature, I know.
What does it eat, sir?
Huh?
What
It
does
eats
it?
food.
What kind of food?
Veg food. Like rice.
So it, so it doesn't like non-veg.
Non-veg.
It also takes non-veg. Crow is take.
Non-veg also.
So it's omnivorous.
Omnivorous.
Okay. So this is the crow of New Delhi. A lot of
Yeah,
like this
still there. She is enjoying.
in New Delhi. She's enjoying
You highlight it. Just zoom it.
enjoying the
Food.
food,
Thrown out food.
the remaining food.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it is dealing with the humans around.
Okay, well explained. Oh, another is there.
Without disturbing.
But this one is different, sir, no?
That is different species.
What kind of species is that, sir?
That species I also don't know.
Oh!
This is it. It's
Oh,
beautiful
great.
still. It's a kind of parrot. You don't get Philippines?
No.